Yes, I'm Addis Swaby, aka Addis Pablo, son of Augustus Pablo. I was born in Red Bank, New Jersey in 1989 on the 18th of August. Spent a couple months there and then I was brought to Jamaica to live with my dad, Augustus Pablo, reggae musician, melodica player, dub extraordinaire. Rastafari, we're not really just so much, physical, it's obviously spiritual. Like I said, it's a great part of who we are, the energy that we possess within us. Growing up in a household that's Rastafari was very much a part of everyday life. Just the way we ate, the way we slept, listening to the sound system playing, 24/7, that was just the way of life, or still is the way of life, That's the power that comes with what we do, and we try to use that power for, just the positive at all times, No negative. We don't want to harm or hurt anything, not even an ant or a fly. Sometimes we're sorry when we have to squeeze one because it's biting us, or even a mosquito or a fly, So for us, it's just about, upliftment, creation, and just enjoying the wonders, that the Most High Jah, the Haile Selassie, created for us.
This is the generation of them that seek his face. Righteous way.